All right, Gabriel, go ahead and set her up. Yep. Push it in, tuck it in. All right. Now remember, we're going to give it a good run and then lift off, okay?
Yeah.
So go ahead and strap up. Oh, don't panic. Keep her up, keep her up. There you go. Keep trying to climb. Turn this way. No, shallow banks. Is it the wind?
Yeah.
Now if you want, you can bring it around and land it.
More than likely, I'll feel comfortable with the engines.
Yeah, don't bank so sharply. Uh-oh. Bring her around this way.
Yours.
Okay. Try to bring her as slow as possible. Try to bring it down a little slower. Nose up a little bit. There you go. Go get her. Good flight, man. That was awesome. Break anything?
No.
Bend anything? Huh?
No, I didn't bend anything.
Okay. It was a good flight.
Yeah.
Were you doing the throttle wonking, or was that doing it on its own?
Doing it on its own.
Might be that the earlier editions of these A-10s were problematic with their ESCs, so let's see, do we have any battery pack puffing, or nope. It is quite hot though, so I think we're gonna go ahead and upgrade it to brushless. I think another thing that messed with it is, did it feel tail heavy or nose heavy?
Yeah, tail heavy.
Yeah, that's probably what it was. So trim. That trim is way off. Go ahead and give it a taxi. Don't fly it. Just see if it'll track straight for you. Is it straight now?
Yeah, I have problems with those. So.
Yeah, you do. That's with a 1,000 milliamp battery, so it's flyable. Only problem is, for some reason, the motors, after I'd say about 30 or 40 seconds of runtime, causes the engines to start cutting off in flight. So, all right, go ahead and bring her back, and we'll disconnect her. Taxi her back. All right. Hey man, nice recovery. You didn't lose it.